Hi again, everybody. It's Scott Jones with EZTravelPad, and today I'm coming to you from Secrets St Lucia. This is a relatively new resort. It's new to be a Secrets resort. So it was previously here many years. It was St James Morgan Bay, and so you can see that the bones of this resort as we have a look around. It's old, but it's been had a major uplift, major facelift, and it's looking pretty nice right now. So I want to take you around. This is one of the better adult-only, all-inclusive options on the island. So let's have a look at the all-new Secrets St Lucia. As you arrive at Secrets St Lucia in the Porte Cochere, you are going to complete your check-in. Hello. In the gorgeous lobby. It's all open air, plenty of comfortable seating. Welcoming staff, and in a few minutes they'll have you off to your room to begin enjoying your next greatest vacation. Just past the main lobby is a conference center, and one thing that you'll probably notice on this tour, this resort is fairly compact. There's not, it's not real spread out. There's about 350 rooms or so, and everything is an easy 5 to 10 minutes at the most walk from the furthest room to the beach or the main part of the resort. Restaurant-wise, we have Portofino's, which is Italian, and my newest favorite had lunch here today, and this open air beauty is Le Petit, which is tapas and crepes. I'm going to tell you something, it was really good. Just past tapas and crepes is Market Cafe. This is the primary for breakfast, lunch buffet, dinner as well. We'll have a better look at that in the morning. Additionally, Morgan's Pier, which is French for dinner, is gorgeous. Out on a pier, hear the waves crashing all around. One of everyone's favorite spots, the Secrets Resort, is Coco Cafe. Catch some lattes and much more. Let's take a peek. Not just espressos and lattes and cappuccinos, but a lot of sweet treats and paninis as well. Really friendly, happy staff. The people are great. Just off Coco Cafe is Essentials. This is going to be your gift shop. You can get essentials. Well, you forgot your aspirin, or you need some ointment or something, you can get that, but also some of the nice resort wear that's available, and then some terrific island things to take home. There are a couple of pretty decent pickleball courts and also 3 lighted tennis courts. So if we're getting some exercise outside of the fitness center, you're in good shape. In the main part of the resort, there's a lot of things to keep you busy. There's some cornhole right there. We've got a couple of pools. I like the lounge chairs in the pools here. There is the entertainment staff to keep you busy. View of the ocean. The islands to kind of chill out on. And it's right next to Sugar Reef. We'll talk about that in a minute. Manatees, there's your swim-up bar. Sometimes it's a little quieter, sometimes it's a little livelier, but everybody has a good time at a swim-up bar, right? And you have to have one to have a good time at an adults-only, all-inclusive resort. The entertainment staff is great and really engaging, and at the swim-up bar today, what we got going on is a lip-sync contest. Several of the guests are competing, several of the other guests are judges, and everybody's having a great time. So how's the beach here at Secrets St Lucia? Well, it's pretty great. Starting from the French restaurant, Morgan's Pier, we'll just pan across, looking at the beach, resort rooms in the background. As you can see, there's a ton of available chairs. Preferred club rooms down on that end. And then the ocean just in front. So as you can see, it's not a long walking beach, quite private, pretty good for people who don't want to be, I don't want to say accosted, but approached by locals selling different products. This one, you're not going to find that. So if you're looking for that sort of a dynamic, maybe we'll find a different beach for you. All right, I'm with my friend Jeremiah here. He is a local tour guide, and sometimes people want to book things, you know, kind of on their own, not go with the big crowds. So Jeremiah, what kind of stuff do you most like to offer?
All right. Ready? So my name is Jeremiah, and I work for a private company called Israel King Private Tours. I know most of the times that people come to the island, they don't want to always go with the big crowds, and so we cater for people that want to do private excursions, where they'll be on their own time. They'll get to experience the island much more, do different snorkeling spots. There's mud bath excursions, there's waterfalls, there's beach stops. We can also organize some local lunch for our clients. So if you're someone that's interested in like a chill vibe where you don't have to always be in a rush to move to the next stop, well then you should check out Israel Private Tours, Israel King Private Tours. You can check us out on Google, on TripAdvisor, on Instagram.
Right on. Thanks, man. I appreciate your time. All right, so that's going to do it for our tour today of Secrets St. Lucia. I hope you enjoyed the tour. I think this is a really nice adults only all-inclusive resort here in St. Lucia. It's a really good option. I found the food to be very good, service outstanding. You know, one of the things that I personally prefer is something that I like to call authentically Caribbean. So something that's been around for a while. And this is one of those resorts. Although, like I mentioned at the beginning, it's had a major facelift. But one of the things, it's not a modern high-rise built way back off the beach or something. It's something that's close to the beach. It's easily walkable. There's some really nice features here. And I think it would make a very nice option. So when it comes time for you to consider your next greatest vacation, please reach out to your friends in the travel business. Here at EZTravelPad, we know what we're doing. We don't charge any fees. We're here to help make your experience as good as it can be. So thanks again, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.